And you just wind it up with your finger and let it go.
Okay.
And go fly it. Yep. Now, hey Masha, it'll probably tear up pretty easy, but that's okay. So you just play with it, alright? If it tears up.
Daddy, will you show her how to do it the first time and for it to fly?
I know.
Well, let me. You want me to fly it once?
No.
Okay, she's gonna fly it, mommy.
Okay.
She knows how to do it.
Her little model airplane.
Why so spinny?
Well, it's supposed to spin the propeller. See, that rubber band's what spins it.
Oh, first let me do this. Rose!
Huh?
Your little Rose, watch.
Yeah.
But Mommy wants to see it fly.
Okay.
Can Daddy show you?
I know.
Honey, is it supposed to sit down?
Huh? No, you gotta throw it. It ain't gonna take off. That's
Can he please show you?
Come on.
Pretty, pretty please.
Fine.
Alright, Daddy, yay! Alright, take it to him.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, this is already.
You gotta have it just right. Okay, where are you gonna throw that, Daddy?
I'll just throw it.
Not fine.
Hold on, I want to make sure I get it. See how well it does for $1.50.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's what you get for $1.50.
Well, she's excited though.
Watch me.
All right, baby. Masha, now you try it.
I had one of them when I was little too. It lasted about 5 minutes too. You thought that thing would fly better than that. You ever seen one of those big styrofoam ones? They fly pretty good.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. I think we'll probably do better without even turning the prop.
Yeah, just try throwing it and see what it does. She's like, Daddy, it's...
Well, it landed on its wheels.
Yay! Can Daddy try it now?
Yeah, sure. Let me roll it.
Well, that's pretty good.
So does it do better just with...
I think it does better just throwing it.
Throw it this way so I can get a good shot of it. Oh! Well...
I got Gizmo.
Come here, bud.
Crash landing. Well, it's holding up fairly well for $1.50. I mean, it doesn't...
So far.
Watch this.
Whoa. The thing back over here.
Yeah, it did. That is turned off. Well, let's spin it again.
You want to spin it again?
Great shot, Dad.
Thanks.
Where's my airplane? It was not.
We're going to have to get her a better one. But that one's fine for right now. You can play with it.
This one's just a practice.
Yeah. I'd like to get one of them that Harbor Freight that like really flies and all that. Is your prop bent?
No. Did you see that?
I did.
Okay, stop videoing me.
All right. You want to tell everyone bye?
Bye.